Hi, let's discuss trial SPM 2023 at Maths Negeri Sembilan, paper 1. Question number 1, given m and n are the roots of the quadratic equation x squared equals to 2x plus 3. Form a quadratic equation with roots negative m and negative n. Okay, so here given the quadratic equation, so x squared equals to 2x plus 3. We convert into general form, x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. So the roots are roots are m and n. So if given roots, we can use SOR, POR. Okay, HTP and HDP. Hasil tambah punca, hasil darab punca. So SOR, the formula of SOR is negative B over A. So this one, m plus n equals to negative 2 over 1. So m plus n equals to 2. Okay, so for POR, formula POR is C over A. So MN lah. So equals to C negative 3 over 1. So MN equals to negative 3. Okay, so we already have SOR and POR. So now we are going to form a quadratic equation with roots negative m, negative n. Okay, so new roots. Okay, we have negative m and negative n. Okay, so tadi kita ada original equation, kita ada original roots, kita ada original SOR and kita ada original POR. So for the new one ni pun kita kena buat lah. Kita kena buat new SOR, new POR and new equation. Okay, so then SOR, new. Okay, so negative m plus negative n. Okay, so this one is negative m plus n. Okay, so then m plus n is 2, so negative 2. So POR, the new one, is negative m times negative n. Okay, so which is equals to mn. Samalah kan tadi, which is equals to negative 3. Okay, so then to form a new equation, okay, kena hafal formula ni. X squared minus SORX plus POR equals to 0. So we substitute x squared minus SOR is negative 2x, POR is negative 3 equals to 0. So we simplify, we have x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Question number 2, given fx equals to square root x plus 9 over 3, x more equals than p, find the value of ap. Okay, so then we have fx equals to square root x plus 9 over 3. Okay, so for a, kita nak tahu value of, for question A, kita nak tahu value of P. So the basic concept, we must know that number in the square root ni mesti positif. 0 boleh. Tapi dia mesti more equals than 0. So x plus 9 mesti more equals than 0. Okay, so then x more equals than negative 9. Kita compare lah. X more equals than P. So P berapa? So dapatlah P equals to negative 9. B, find the value of m if modulus Fm equals to 1 over 2. Okay, so B, modulus Fm equals to 1 over 2. We substitute here. So m plus 9 square root over 3 equals to 1 over 2. Okay, so modulus could be positive or negative. Tapi just now kita dah tahu yang square root ni positif, so kita tak payah pertimbangkan yang negatif lah. So m plus 9 square root over 3 equals to 1 over 2. Okay, so to eliminate square root kita squarekan both side. Okay, so here kita dapat m plus n over 9 equals to 1 over 4. Okay, so then we cross. Here we have m plus 9 equals to 9 over 4. So m equals to 9 over 4 minus 9. So this one m equals to negative 27 over 4. 3a, diagram 1 shows a straight line graph by plotting xy against x squared, express y in terms of x. Okay, so then this one we can use linear law. So big Y equals to m big X plus C. We need to find the gradient first. Okay, so the gradient is 4 minus negative 2 over 2 minus 6. Okay, so this one equals to 6 over negative 4, which is equals to negative 3 over 2. Okay, so then kita cari C pula. So substitute to big Y equals to m big X plus C. So then we can choose any point. So let's say I choose point 24. So 4 equals to gradient negative 3 over 2, 2 plus C. So C equals to 7. Okay, so kita masukkan balik dalam ni. Okay, the big Y is XY and the big X is X squared. So kita substitute So XY equals to negative 3 over 2. X is X squared plus 7. Okay, so dia nak Y, express Y in terms of X. So Y subject. So all divided by X. So we have Y equals to negative 3 over 2X plus 7 over X. B, diagram 2 shows the graph of y equals to negative hx squared plus kx, and diagram 3 shows the line of best fit obtained when the graph of y equals to negative hx squared plus kx is reduced to linear form. State big Y exists and big X exists in terms of X and or Y. Okay, so ni non-linear jadi linear. Clue dia is negative h is intercept. So start from y equals to negative hx squared plus kx. Kita nak jadikan ni negative h seorang. So all kita kena divide by x squared. So here we have y over x squared equals to negative hx squared over x squared plus kx over x squared. Okay, so ni kita simplify. So y over x squared kita susun lah kan. So kita dapat k, dia simplify. So 1 over x plus, minus h. Okay, so then kita bolehlah compare big Y equals to m big X plus C. So big Y exists is y over x squared, and big X exists is 1 over x. Number 4, the nth term of a geometric progression is given by Tn equals to pq power of 2n minus 1. If the fifth term is 16 times the third term, find the common ratio where r more than 1. Okay, so now given geometric progression, so this is GP, geometric progression. Okay, so then given fifth term is fifth term, so T5 equals to 16 T3. Okay, so for geometric progression, Tn is AR power of n minus 1 kan. So this one AR power of 5 minus 1. 16, this one AR power of 3 minus 1. So ni dapat AR power of 4, 16 AR power of 2. So kita boleh simplify lah. Kan AR power of 4 over AR power of 2 equals to 16. So dapat R squared equals to 16. So R is plus minus 4. Okay, tapi dia kata R more than 1. So kita ambil R equals to 4. So mungkin ada cara lain kot sebab ada given ni kan. Tapi saya guna cara macam ni lah. Ringkasnya tak guna pun Tn equals to PQ power of 2n minus 1 tu. Sebab dia pun tak suruh guna pun kan. Number 5. Given a sequence with the sum of the first n terms is given by Sn equals to 2n squared plus 3n. A express Sn minus 1. Hence, find the n term. Okay, so start from Sn equals to 2n squared plus 3n. Jadi kalau Sn minus 1, whatever n ni, kita gantikan dengan n minus 1. So 2n minus 1 squared plus 3n minus 1. So ni expand n squared minus 2n plus 1. Plus 1. Okay, plus 3n minus 3. So ni dapat 2n squared minus 4n plus 2 plus 3n minus 3. So kita simplify dapat 2n squared minus n minus 1. Okay, so this is n minus 1. Okay, ada perkataan hence, maksudnya seterusnya find the n term. N term is Tn, so Tn. Okay, we know that Tn is Sn minus Sn minus 1. So Sn is 2n squared plus 3n minus, dengan ni letak bracket, 2n squared minus n minus 1. Okay, so ni dapat 2n squared plus 3n minus 2n plus n plus 1. So dapat 2n, sorry ni 2n squared. So habis so 4n. So Tn equals to 4n plus 1. B, show that the sequence is an arithmetic progression. Okay, so to show the sequence is an arithmetic progression, kita kena tahu the characteristic of arithmetic progression is common difference. So kita kena carilah common difference. Okay, so then just now kita ada Tn equals to 4n plus 1 kan. So kita cari T1, 4 times 1 plus 1 equals to 5. So T2, 4 times 2 plus 1 equals to 9. Okay, T3, 4 times 3 plus 1 equals to 13. Okay, so kita boleh carilah D. So D equals to 9 minus 5 or 13 minus 9 equals to 4. Okay, so this is arithmetic. So therefore, arithmetic progression with common difference D equals to 4. 6a, given integration from 1 to mgx over 2 dx equals to n, and integration from 1 to mgx minus x dx equals to 37 over 2, such that m more than 0. Express m in terms of n. So yang ni kita kena settlekan dulu. This one so integration 1m gx over 2 dx equals to n. So kita kena move up by using the laws of definite integral. So gx dx equals to n. So all times 2. So gx dx equals to 2n. Okay, so soalan dia 1 m gx minus x dx equals to 37 over 2. So kita separatekan 1m gx dx minus 1m x dx equals to 37 over 2. Okay, so this one dah sama kan ni? So equals to 2n So 2n minus, okay, x integrate, we will get x squared over 2. 1m equals to 37 over 2. So substitute upper limit minus lower limit. So 2n minus m squared over 2 minus 1 squared over 2 is 37 over 2. So buka bracket darab 2. So 4n minus m squared plus 1 equals to 37. Dia nak m subject. So 4n minus 36 equals to m squared. So then m equals to square root 4n minus 36. Yang ni boleh simplify. So n minus 9. Okay. So m square root 4 is 2. Third n minus 9. B, diagram 4 shows part of a curved graph y equals to fx. Roman 1, find the value of integration from -4 to -2y dx plus modulus integration from 2 to 16x dy. Okay, so to find the value, we must know the formula is dx, so meaning that -4, -2 are values of x. So this one, -4, -2. So y dx maksudnya lah this part. Okay. So yang ni pula dy, 2 and 16 are values of y. So 2, 16. So this one, the value. Okay, kenapa dia modulus? Sebab kita kena tahu for left of y, dia punya value is negative. Tapi dia nak yang positif. So maksud kita kena cari area lah kan. Okay, so to find Roman 1 to find -4, -2 y dx plus modulus 216x dy. Okay, so actually inilah bentuk apa ni? Rectangle, big rectangle minus small rectangle. Okay, so big rectangle minus small rectangle. Okay, so then big rectangle, formula of rectangle is width time length. So 4 times 16. So this one 4 times 16. The small one 2 times 2. So dapat 60. Okay. 2, Roman 2. Okay, given the gradient function of the curve is 4x plus 5. Okay, find fx. So function f prime x equals to 4x plus 5. Gradient function dy dx, tapi dekat sini since of dia nak fx, so gradient function dia f prime x lah. Okay, so then to find fx from f prime x, kita kena integrate both side with respect to x. Okay, so this one fx equals to 4x squared over 2 plus 5x plus c. Okay, for function fx, kita tengok kat sini, fx yang this one. Kan, okay. So dia ada point negative 22 and negative 416. So you all boleh pilih mana-mana lah. Kita untuk dapatkan c, kita substitute any point. Okay, let's say I choose negative 416. Okay, so I choose negative 416. So this one 16 equals to 4 over 2 negative 4 squared plus 5 negative 4 plus c. Okay, so this one dapat berapa ni? 16 equals to 32 minus 20 plus c. So then c equals to 4. Okay, so we substitute into the function fx equals to, ni simplify tadi kan 2 So 2x squared plus 5x plus 4. 7. Diagram 5 shows an iron container with a closed top in cylindrical in shape. Given the radius of the container r cm and the height of the water in the container h cm. Given that the volume of the water in the container is 175 pi centimeter cube and h equals to 7 centimeter. When the container is soaked in cold water, the height of the water shows a small increase in p centimeter. Okay, given formula volume of cylinder v equals to pi r squared h. Okay, find a small change in radius in centimeter in terms of p. Okay, so sekarang apa yang dibagi kat situ, dibagi volume 175. Okay, so we have volume equals to 175 pi. At the same time, formula of volume is pi r squared h. Okay, h is 7, dibagi kat sini. Okay, so 175 pi equals to pi r squared times 7. So mati-mati. Okay, so r squared equals to 25. So nanti dapat r equals to 5. Okay, so done. Okay, so dia kata dekat sini the height of the water shows a small increase in p. So maksudnya delta h. So delta h equals to p. Okay, dia nak small change in radius. So dia nak delta r. So kita kena buat relation lah, buat formula relate to h and r. Okay, so start from the volume. Volume equals to pi r squared h. Volume is 175 pi equals to pi r squared h. So kita boleh carilah h equals to 175 pi over pi r squared. Okay, so then dapat h equals to 175 r power of negative 2. So kita boleh carilah dh dr. So dh dr is negative 350 r power of negative 3. Just now r is 5, so we substitute. So negative 350 over 5 cube equals to negative 14 over 5. Okay, so now we can use formula of approximate change. Kita ada DH dr, so delta H delta R approximate to DH dr. Okay, so then delta H tadi P So kita nak cari delta R. This one negative 14 over 5. So delta R equals to negative 5P over 14. B. Find the percentage of the small change in the radius. Hence, describe the percentage. Okay, so to find the percentage is small change in radius divided by the original value times 100%. So, in radius tadi, the small change is negative 5P over 14. Okay, the original radius value of radius is 5. So, times 100%. Okay, so this one is negative 50 over 7p%. Okay, so they so hence they so describe. So meaning that the radius decreases but negative. Decreases 50 over 7p%. 8a. Show that expression sert 10 plus sert 2 squared over sert 5 minus 1 can be written in the form of a, b plus sert 5 such that a and b are integer. Okay, so then start from the question given here. Sert 10 plus sert 2 squared over sert 5 minus 1. So this one square ni maksudnya double kan. So, sert 10 plus sert 2. Okay, over sert 5 minus 1. Okay, so then expand sert 10 squared plus sert 10 sert 2 plus sert 10 sert 2 plus sert 2 squared. Okay, divided by sert 5 minus 1. Okay, so then kita boleh simplify this one. Okay, 10 ni 10 plus 2, 12. Okay, plus 2 sert 10 sert 2, so sert 20 over sert 5 minus 1. Okay, so this one 12 plus 2. Okay, sert 20 is 4 times 5. Okay, over, dia panjang minus 1. Okay, sert 5 is 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. So plus 4, sert 5 over sert 5 minus 1. So yang ni tak simple. So kita kena rationalizekan dia times the conjugate Sert 5 plus 1 over sert 5 plus 1. Okay, so this one kita expand lah. Ni letak bracket. Okay, so this one is 12 sert 5. Okay, plus 12 plus 4 sert 5 squared plus 4 sert 5. Divide by yang bawah ni. So, kita ada formula A plus B. A minus B is A squared minus B squared. So, this one is sert 5 squared minus 1 squared. Okay, so this one simplify 12 and 4. So, 16 sert 5. Okay, so 12 plus 4 times y 20. So, 32. So, ni 12. This one ni 20. So, over. Okay, 5 minus 1, 4. Okay, so saya buat step by step. So, 16 sert 5 plus 32 over 4. So, all can divide by 4. So, which is equals to 8 plus 4 sert 5. Tapi dia nak in terms of ni tadi kan. A, B plus sert 5. Okay. So, then kita kena simplify lagi lah. So, 4, 2 plus sert 5. B, given m equals to a power of x, show that log m power of n base a equals to n log m base a. Okay, so given m equals to a power of x. So then change to log form. So x equals to log m base a. Right, okay. So this one kita powerkan both side with power of n. So dapat a power of nx. Okay, so then log both side with log base a. So this one log m power of n base a equals to log a power of nx base a. Okay, so this one kita tahu log a base a ni one jadi turun lah, dapat nx. So this is log m power of n base a. So just now x is this one. So ni log m power of n base a equals to n log m base a. So then proven. 9. In a class consisting of 15 boys and 9 girls, a group of 8 people are to be selected as members of the class committee. A Roman 1, find the number of groups that can be formed. Okay, so now there are 15 boys and 9 girls. So we are going to select 8. So this one select. So meaning that we are going to use C. Choose 8. So since to find the number of group that can be formed, meaning that no restriction. So kita ambil je lah altogether 15 plus 9 is 24. Choose 8. Okay, this is 7, 3, 5, 4, 7, 1 waste. A Roman 2, find the number of groups that can be formed if each group must have at least one boy. Okay, at least one boy, meaning that one boy or 2 boys or 3 boys or 4 boys or 5 boys or 6 boys or 7 boys or all boys. Banyak kan? Okay, so kita guna all minus no boy. So kita guna yang complement lah. All this one minus no boy, meaning that all girls. So 8 girls, no boy, 0 boy. Okay, so all just now 7, 3, 5, 4, 7, 1 waste minus 8 girls, so 9 C8, boy 0 times 15C 0. Okay, so ni kita carilah. So this one 7, 3, 5, 4, 7, 1 minus 9. So 7, 3, 5, 4, 6, 2 waste. B, a group consisting of 6 boys and 2 girls was selected. They want to sit around a square table for the first meeting. Roman 1, find the number of different ways of sitting if there is only one chair of each side of the table. Okay, so B Roman 1, there is square table. So each side there is only one chair. So kita ada altogether 8 students kan. Okay, 8 kita nak ada 4. So kita nak guna permutation or combination. So this one arrangement is important. So kita guna permutation. So 8P 4. Okay, tapi this one nampak macam square tapi actually is like circle sebab dia punya susunan ni kan. So kita kena bahagi dengan 4 Okay, so tahu kan kenapa bahagi dengan 4? Sebab okay, so let's say this is square table. So student 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4. Tengok susunan dia sama kan? Semua ni susunan 1, 2, 3, 4 ni 1, 2, 3, 4. Susunan dia semua sama. So ada 4 cara yang sama sebenarnya. Sebab tu kita bahagi dengan 4. Okay. So 8P4 divided by 4. This one equals to 420 with. Roman 2. If 8 chairs are available, find the number of different ways of sitting if both girls have to sit side by side. Okay, so Roman 2 now sama ada square table. Okay, so ada 8 chairs. Okay, 2 girls sit together. Let's say ni. Okay, so 2 girls, so 2 factorial lah. Okay, so balance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, yang ni girls together ni kita anggap satu. Okay, so 7 lah. Since of dia macam circle, so kena minus 1. Okay, minus 1 factorial. Okay, ni sebenarnya sama. 2 factorials times 7 factorial divided by 7. Macam tadi. So this one equals to 1440 with. Then, diagram 6 shows the curve y squared equals to 16 minus 4x intersect x-axis at point A and y-axis at point B and point C. Point D, -5, -6 lies on the curve. A, find the equation of the straight line AC in intercept form. Okay, so to find equation AC, we have to find coordinate A and C. Both A and C are on the equation y squared equals to 16 minus 4x. For coordinate A is x-intercept, so y equals to 0. So 0 squared equals to 16 minus 4x. So 4x equals to 16, x equals to 4. So we can find coordinate A is 4, 0. Okay, so for coordinate C, C is y-intercept x0. So y squared into equals to 16 minus 4 times 0. So y squared equals to 16. Then y equals to plus minus 4. Okay, since of C is below x-axis, so meaning that negative value negative. So y is negative 4. So therefore C, coordinate C is 0, negative 4. Okay, so we have to find equation in intercept form. So then x over x-intercept 4 plus, okay, y over negative 4 equals to 0. Okay, ataupun ni kita simplify x over 4 minus y over 4 equals to 1. This is equation of AC in intercept form. B, calculate the area of triangle ABD in units squared. Okay, so just now we already have A is 40. Okay, from AY is plus minus 4. So since of C is 0, -4, B is 0, 4, positive. Okay, so then we can find area is 1 over 2. Okay, we arrange anti-clockwise. Sebab nak dapatkan dia positif. Okay, so -5, -6, back to 40. So this one 1 over 2. This first. So modulus 4 times 4 plus 0 times -6 plus -5 times 0. Okay, minus this one. Okay, so 0 times 0 plus 4 times -5 plus -6 times 4. Okay, close the modulus. So this one 1 over 2, 16 minus -44. So the answer is 30 units squared. C, determine whether the straight line AD is perpendicular to the straight line AB. Justify your answer by using method of calculation. Okay, so to test perpendicular, we have to find the gradient. So C, find gradient AD first. So y2 minus y1, 0 minus -6 divided by 4 minus -5. Okay, so this one is 2 over 3. So then find gradient AB. So 4 minus 0 over 0 minus 4. So this one is -1. Okay, so then MAD times MAB equals to 2 over 3 times -1. Okay, so this one is -2 over 3. Okay, -2 over 3 is not equals to -1. Okay, so therefore AD is not, sorry, perpendicular to AB. 11. Harith is an agent selling health products from abroad. The company pays 25% of the agent's monthly sales. Given GX is the bonus function that Harith will receive and X is the monthly sales. In the beginning of May 2022, the company sets a new policy. The total sales are monthly sales, which have been deducted with a membership fee of RM 280 per month. Given fx is a function that represents the total sales earned starting May 2022. A. State the function of fx and gx, hence determine the composite function that represent monthly bonus received by Haris. Okay, so fx is represent total sale earned starting May 2022 yang deduct 380. So x is x minus 380. Okay, so gx, okay, yang pay 25%, so 25 over 100x, or gx equals to 0.25x. Okay, so hence determine the composite function that represent monthly bonus received by Haris. Maksudnya dia deduct dulu baru dia give pay 25%. So which is g f x equals to 0.25 x minus 380 equals to 0.25 x minus 95. So this is GFX. B. The price of a product is RM 373. Harith must receive a bonus of at least RM 5,500 if he wishes to achieve a higher rank. What is the minimum quantity of product needs to be sold to achieve his mission? Okay, so just now from A we already have the function of bonus, which is 0.25x minus 95. This one given dia nak at least, so more equals than 5,500. So we need to find the monthly sales, which is x first. 0.25x 5595. So then x divided by 0.25 22380. So yang ni kita bahagilah dengan ni quantity, dia punya price of one product 373. So the quantity is 60. Question number 12. The manager of a factory conducted research on workers who were late in 5 working days. Diagram 7 shows a binomial distribution graph of the research such that X represent the number of days workers who were late. A. Find the value of A and B. Okay, A and B are probability, so we know the total probability is 1. So then to find A plus B equals to 1 minus all probability yang ada lah. So 1 minus 0.05 minus 0.11 minus 0.21 minus 0.34. Okay, so then this one equals to 0.29. B. Calculate the probability of a worker who were not late. Okay, so this one is clearly given binomial distribution. So we have formula binomial Px equals to R equals to NCR P power of R Q power of N minus R. Okay, so since of this is survey for workers that late, maksudnya P is probability workers late. So Q yang tak late lah. So dia yang not late So maksud kita kena cari Q. Okay, so now we have value of P0. Okay, so Px equals to 0. N is 5. C0. P tak tahu So P power of 0. Q pun tak tahu. Power of 5 minus 0 equals to 0.05. Okay. So then kita boleh carilah. So 5C0 is 1. P power of 0 is 1. So this one Q power of 5 equals to 0.05. Okay, so nanti kita boleh cari. Okay, Q equals to kita power off kan 1/5 0.5493. Question 13. Diagram 8 shows an object A experiences three forces F1, F2 and F3 measured in Newton. A, find the value of H and of K if the object is not moving. Okay, so not moving meaning that the total vector is 0. So F1 plus F2 plus F3 equals to 0. Okay, F1 is negative 4i plus hj. F2 ki minus 2j. F3 negative I minus 7j equals to 0. So then we group together vector I and vector j. So here negative 4 minus 1 plus ki. K plus h minus 7 minus 2j equals to 0. Okay, so since of vector 0 maksudnya vector I dia 0 and vector j dia 0. So negative for vector I, negative 4 minus 1 plus k equals to 0, then k equals to 5. For vector j, h minus 7 minus 2 equals to 0, h equals to 9. B, find magnitude of the resultant force acting on the object if force 3 is removed from the system. Give your answer in the third form. Okay, so force 3 dah remove, so tinggal force 1 and force 2. So this one is negative 4i, h is 9, j plus 5i minus 2j. Tadi kita dah dapatkan from A. So this one equals to I plus 7j. Okay, so then magnitude F1 plus F2 is 1 squared plus 7 squared square root. Okay, this one equals to third 50. Okay, third 50 is 25 times 2. So square root 25 is 5. Set 2. C. Assume that the three forces lie on a Cartesian plane. If the force F1 is increased by 2 units in the direction of x-axis and decreased 5 units in the direction of y-axis, find the unit vector of object A in the direction of F1. Okay, so F1 is negative 4i plus hj. So h is 9. So plus 9j. So the new F1 increase 2 unit direction x. So negative 4i plus 9j plus 2i. Okay. So decrease 5 unit direction y. So minus 5j. So we simplify, we will get negative 2i plus 4j. Okay. So then to find the unit vector, you must find the magnitude. Okay. So negative 2 squared plus 4 squared square root, which is equals to square root 20. So square root 20 is 2 third 5. Okay. So unit vector F1 kita letak head je lah. So 1 over magnitude times that vector negative 2i plus 4j. So then kita boleh simplify 1 over third 5 negative I plus 2j. 14a, diagram 9 shows a sector OAB with center O. Show that the length of arc ABS can be expressed as S equals to R theta. Okay, so to show the arc length AB is actually this one, arc length. We can use ratio. So arc length over total circumference. Circumference. Okay, equals to angle subtended. Okay, divide by total angle. Okay, which is 2 pi. 360, 2 pi. Okay, so arc length is S. Okay, circumference is 2 pi r. Angle subtended is theta over 2 pi. Okay, so then subject S. So theta over 2 pi times 2 pi r. So we simplify dapatlah. So S equals to r theta. So shown. B. A town developer plans to design a garden on a square-shaped area that has a side length of 1 kilometer. He wants to build a pedestrian area by using mosaic pieces as shaded in diagram 10. CDE is an arc of a circle with center A, while CFE is an arc of a circle with center B. If a piece of mosaics with a measurement of 50 cm times 50 cm was placed on the pedestrian area, estimate the number of mosaic pieces can be placed on that area. First of all, the unit of the length is not uniform. Okay, so you have to make it uniform first. So here we have kilometer and centimeter, we convert into meter. So kilometer to meter times 1000. So this one 1000 meter. So this one same 1000 meter. Okay, centimeter to meter, so divide 100. So this one 0.5, this one 0.5. Okay, so we need to find the area first before find the number of mosaic. So since of this is sector, right? So kita kena bahagi dulu lah, kita buat separuh-separuh. Okay, so actually we are going to find the segment. Nak cari segment. So to find segment is shaded region. Okay, nak cari segment is sector minus triangle. Sector is suku kan. So 90 degree. So 1 over 4 pi r squared minus triangle 1 over 2 times base times height. Okay. So lepas tu kita darab 2. Okay. So this one tersubstitute lah. So 1 over 4 pi. R is 1000 minus 1 over 2. Base dia sama 1000. Height dia 1000. Okay. All this times 2. Okay, so then kita tekan calculator lah. Pi ni dia tak bagi kan. So we use value of pi from calculator. So this one we will get 570,796.33. Okay, so then nak estimate the number of mosaic. So kita divide by ni lah dia punya area tu So number of mosaic equals to 570,796.33 divided by 0.5 times 0.5. Okay, so this one equals to 2,283,185. Last question, question number 15A. If tangent A plus B equals to -3 and tangent A equals to 2, find the value of tangent B. Okay, so then we have formula of addition formula for tangent. So we use the addition formula. So tangent A plus B is tangent A plus tangent B divided by 1 minus tangent A tangent B equals to -3. Okay, so tangent A is 2. So 2 plus tangent B 1 minus 2 tangent B equals to -3. Okay, so then we simplify to 2 plus tangent B equals to negative 3 plus 6 tangent B. Okay. So 6 tangent B minus tangent B. So 5 tangent B equals to 5. So tangent B equals to 1. B. Solve the equation sin squared x equals to 1 minus cos x plus 4 cos 3 pi over 2. Okay, so then given sin squared x equals to 1 minus cos x. Okay, plus 4. Cos 3 pi over 2 is cos 270. This one, 270. Cos 270 is 0. So this one tak uniform, so we can substitute this one by using basic identity. Sin squared x is 1 minus cos squared x equals to 1 minus cos x. 4 times 0 is 0. So then we simplify, we will get cos squared x minus cos x equals to 0. Then we can factorize, cos x minus 1. So then here cos x is 0 and cos x equals to 1. Okay, so kalau kita nak selesaikan, kita kena guna graph of cos. So this one 360, this one 180 or 2 pi. So maximum 1, minimum negative 1, 0. Okay, so for cos 0 here, okay, so 90 and 270. Okay, cos 1 is this one. Okay, 0 and 360. Okay, so therefore x equals to 0, 90, 270 and 360 degree. C. Given that sin theta equals to 4k such that k is a constant and theta is more equals than 90 degree but less or equals than 180 degree. Find cos squared 1 over 2 theta in terms of k. Okay, so then first of all, given this quadrant in quadrant 2, so we have sine, so we need to draw right angle triangle in quadrant 2. So quadrant 2, so this one theta, sine so this one 4k over, actually this one ada over 1, so this one over 1. So to find the adjacent by using Pythagoras theorem, 1 squared minus 4k squared square root, okay, which is equals to square root 1 minus 16k squared. Okay, so kita ada relation of double angle formula dengan cos. So we have formula cos theta equals to 2 cos squared theta over 2 minus 1. So yang ni kita boleh tengok from diagram ni. So kita baca. So cos theta equals to chah. So which is square root 1 minus 16k squared. Tapi in quadrant 2 over 1. Tapi in quadrant 2. So cos quadrant 2 negatif. Yang ni tak payah tulis kot over 1 ni. Okay, so then kita boleh substitute. Dan kita boleh jadikan ni, kita nak cari ni kan. So kita boleh jadikan dia subjek lah. So 2 cos squared theta over 2 equals to cos theta plus 1. Okay, so then cos squared theta over 2 equals to cos theta plus 1 over 2. Cos theta tadi ada, kita masukkan je lah. So kita dapat negatif 1 minus 16k squared plus 1 over 2. Okay, ataupun kita boleh susun, which is equals to 1 minus square root 1 minus 16k squared over 2. Done.